man, too, man. I want to be a cooler, man.
Okay. So you hear when we're there, DR, you hear about the burglary?
Me hear everything.
Okay, and hear what?
Hide nothing.
And the burglary there, them got a wrong house. And that may I show you. So straight away, I didn't know I'm a sister, I'm a mother in here with my kids. Straight away, she don't know, say me a prayer. I don't get the phone call and them say the camera, them on, them say the next door neighbor just come and say them need my camera, them need your camera. So send them the recordings, I give with the logins. I say it on my son's phone. And them turn to me and say people come for burger the house, some black boys a while ago, and them see it on my camera. And we watch it on everything. And me I watch the camera and I say, it's weird that me there with gangster now. Our man and our picnic and me I do my surgery. And somebody attempt for breaking our house next to.
And where the Cutie?
Shut up, the blood clot sit them here.
Suck your stick in my Cutie.
Suck your big pussy.
Moderate. Okay, guys, if Uno full up the live goal, full up the live goal.
Talk up, BJ. Your mama suck pussy like that. Your mama was a sodomite to move your dirty blood clot.
Full up the live goal, guys. Full up the live goals.
No, your mama no blood clot, girl. But what I want to condemn no blood clot. Hello, us. This is why I'm not compound people blood.
Right, full up the live goal, guys. Because
you one time I want blood clot, can you come mute me? What's don't mute me? My time for talk. You one time you have big pussy long time. Fuck up, come on over your blood clot chat.
Mute them one
blood clot reason and talk or BJ suck pussy like blood clot dog. No, you your sister BJ, your niece the one I want. Come talk or let me fuck your blood clot down to them and you alone with dirty woman. Them walk and suck like dog. All in a blood clot school days where you used to catching us in a one-top store market. Just suck body behind the flats bin. Move your blood clot. You can't argue with me, girl. You can't blood clot argue with me. Not so cocky like blood clot vampire. Who blame me cause you teacher?
Why the moderator unmute Queenie? Moderate.
We don't work a blood clot. Mute every bumble clot minute over here. So that's how I'm gonna compound the dirty blood clot. Underprivileged dog shit page, you know. That's how I'm gonna compound the page. On the bottom and blood clot sodomite. Brimstone and fire for your Queenie. Where you suck pussy and cocky like that, me your dirty blood clot. Where you're dead girl, you's a walking dead. Where move your bumble wall. Move your come out of your blood clot or so that you have to do. All those come down for you with the old furniture them. Where with the 50 different blood clot color carpet. Queen your pop down. Where you make sure you don't put on when I'm a pupina today. Who a pupina that Camille? Girl, move your blood clot.
Jesus Christ, man. Moderator unmute Queenie.
Why you guys? Sick of that. Let me go back over here so I release the rest of Vice note them.
You know, so
you don't make sense over here. You broke her umbrella over here, so. Why you pop your mouth over here, so girl? Anyway you get catch, you fuck. Shut up. Shut up, Shut up. You've been talking this whole time, see your mother? You don't want me land.
All over. You dirty blood. Run, you dirty blood clot. You can't face the truth. Talk the truth.
Which one of the moderators?
Cutie just want true words and dirty words and over words, brother. We are talking about facts. Right, Q? You see, from me and I come from, here she said me did in our Airbnb. I own a pit where I babysit why me end up in a fair place, you know. Me not have to justify nothing. Cutie are wicked and she mad. She sick. She touched her mother. She's sick. Don't mind Cutie. She was at what time burn up her mother.
Eh?
And cigarette, that's true. She touched her mother. She troubled. Cutie's a troubled soul. No matter how you hear she rich and not go on. I don't lie, me I tell. So I hear her talk about a chat. She told me for be shoplifter and the road and you mind me with clothes. Shut the fuck up, bitch. You know, since I'm an independent woman, you chat so much shit. So the first time Cutie give me one ball to can't rock you.
I have a question for you, hon. If she wants to come back, if she wants to come back on the live, it's okay to add her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, you.
Go ahead.
The first time clap bad for you know, Father God do. Father God just make me go to the valley of the shadow of death and show you say Queenie fear no evil. So you see that kangaroo where you light, where you tell Cutie, where you Cutie how you do it sit on attack. I plot against me with all of these things, Cutie.
Points, guys.
With all of these things, Cutie, from your teenager, Cutie, before you have kids. Before you have kids, me was your idol like everything. But with your little manipulating brain, this is as a big woman. Me there around you, but certain things me not involved with you in a Cutie. Remember, Cutie, a whole heap of journey me you go through. So if you see you come now, go betray me with Dowey. I see it appropriate to do it, tell you all of them things there. And I go say, Dowey did know. What do we know? Dowey never there Inga when the man say more rob you. So what do we know? Dowey never there, Dowey never in a picture when Ziggy me there. So what do we know if you go say Dowey tell you back on me? Top girl, top tier, thank you. And I go say me accept it. Cutie, you want to come on my funeral, baby. You have so much clothes that you're in your house and you're haunted. And the haunted where you're haunted. And you're not at peace. You want to use me as an example for the world for humiliate me with the bastard marriage. And for carry me down, Cutie, you cannot change my vice. That's staying inside the people, them positive vibes, my flex, my vibes, my naturality, my realness, Cutie. Cutie, me not perfect, but my real Cutie. There's a difference with me. If me come over your class, me a class, yeah. But you come and talk, who for who, me not fuck on something live. Live, you tell Cutie, any fuck me can't put up my hand to. You need to go lock up and fuck with Mr. Scarlett. Mr. Scarlett is a disgrace as a young man and the first me tell you that. That's why I have to tell you to go fuck your mother. You understand me? Because your mother has a big woman who say me Sarah run from her. Don't have the decency to take care and say doing that don't sound good. You're married to the drunker, you're married to the dark shit. You're married to the rascal cougar. So you're gonna deal with it, son. What? You're different people DM to people DM. Okay. You know much people have things for you what you say about me? One I go condemn me say me say my mother let me tell you the difference now.
No $1 gift on the gloves. You know what, don't
when me in my bed and get a phone call so I first stop call up other name. Me not call my mother and tell my mother.
I don't know if I should drop the gloves. Should I drop
my mother supposed to hear and see.
Guys, let's go.
Me not call my mother when me in a buckle.
Guys, anything.
Me my own person. Guys, me not get numbers and people for attack me. Me all God alone, and that's the God Almighty truth. You understand me?
Thank you so much, Mama. I appreciate you. Thank you, Shelly. Please follow the gift.